The JC400P 4G DashCam by JIMIMAX, available on Aliexpress, is a cutting-edge solution that transcends traditional car cameras, combining real-time monitoring, advanced security features, and seamless connectivity. This device redefines what a dashcam can do. Imagine having eyes on your car at all times, no matter where you are. With 4G connectivity, the JC400P allows live streaming from both its front and interior cameras, letting you monitor your vehicle remotely. Parents can check on children in the back seat, while fleet managers can oversee driver behavior effortlessly. The dual cameras capture crisp 1080p footage, ensuring clarity whether you're watching the road ahead or interactions inside the cabin. Security takes center stage with the JC400P's engine cutoff feature. If your car is moving below 20 kilometers per hour, a simple command via the free TracksolidPro app can remotely stop the engine, ideal for preventing theft or unauthorized use. Pair this with two-way voice communication, and you can instantly speak to passengers or drivers through the built-in microphone and speaker, adding a layer of control and reassurance. Beyond security, the device transforms your car into a connectivity hub. Insert a 4G SIM card, and the JC400P becomes a Wi-Fi hotspot, supporting up to 5 devices for streaming movies, music, or sports on the go. Its real-time GPS tracking uses 4G LTE for pinpoint accuracy, offering live location updates and 180 days of historical route playback. Even in extreme scenarios, like accidents or submersion, critical event videos are safeguarded in the TracksolidPro cloud for 3 months, ensuring vital evidence isn't lost. For fleet managers or cautious drivers, the dashcam's driver behavior monitoring system alerts you to harsh speeding, sharp turns, or sudden braking, promoting safer driving habits. In emergencies, the panic button triggers instant SOS calls to preset contacts, while CE and FCC certifications guarantee compliance with global safety standards. The JC400P isn't just a dashcam. It's a comprehensive guardian for your vehicle. From tracking your car's location to locking in evidence during break-ins, every feature is designed for peace of mind. Whether you're a parent, commuter, or fleet operator, this device blends innovation with practicality, making it an indispensable tool for modern car ownership. Embrace the future of automotive security and connectivity with a device that works as hard as you do to protect what matters most.